Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today, oh gosh, not again. Okay, here we go. I have my motorcycle right here, as you can see. Pretty nice, you know. Okay, let's go ahead and ride it. Yeah. There we go. It's pretty fast. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh. Okay. Whoa. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh my. Okay, this thing's really bad. Oh gosh. Okay. Okay. That was good. Totally. Oh my gosh, these curves are so bad. This thing. Let's go back here. Oh, hold W. Okay. It's pretty fast. Okay, wheelie time. What? Okay, that was so fast.
USA.
I'm really bad at doing the blinker stuff. Okay. Okay, we're in Bonta. Tell me, okay. By the way, I have the Discord. I have Discord, so make sure to join my server. It is called if you have Discord, it is called the awesome server right here. We have the voice channels too, and the text channels. So make sure to join that. Oh my gosh, this is bad.
Oh, the yellow background. Oh, the yellow background.
Go. Oh no, go.
Oh no. Oh no.
Okay. Whoa! Okay. That's I thought. Wait, that. Oh gosh! Ouch. Okay. Please like and subscribe to the video, and then I'll give another iPhone photo. Okay. Oh. Control. Oh gosh. Oh my.
Oh no. Somebody now.
Okay. I don't really have anything else except Discord, so don't roast me. But I'll show you the blinkers here. They're just generic blinkers. Like you would see them on every motorcycle. Like, see that? That is stuff right there.
Okay. You're trying to our base, but you don't have a flag. Oh, he's going flag.
If you guys want to know where I am in Blowing Rock right now. I'm not at my house. We went here for my mom's birthdays. That's good enough. Gosh, automatic works really good. Is it? Yeah, it's automatic. Okay. Go, come on. Oh, here we go. Wow. Okay, let me make sure I see Pacific. Abstract. Something. Yeah, let me just get there faster. Jobs. What is it? Okay, I currently have $21,000. That is, it's not that much, but unfortunately, I have to sell the beautiful motorcycle. Bye-bye. Oh gosh, I got 59K from that. Oh, I really need to do that. Okay. What can we buy here? 53? It's not that good. 31. Sure. Okay, I got that could buy me. No, actually. So I wonder actually what's yeah. Spawn it right here. Spawn it right out. Okay. Oh, looks like a pretty good car. Pretty good deal, right? Okay. Oh, the brakes are so good. Look at that. That's amazing. I wonder, I'm sure the bumpers there or something. I don't know. Yep, I was right. I knew it. That looks like what oh gosh, this acceleration is good. Gosh. Okay. In Southwest Florida, you already know the roads are always the lights are always red. Can't talk. Okay, let's pull under here. Oh, it's rough. Oh gosh. I got enough gallons to save. Well, let's oh, that is just oh gosh. Okay. I guess let's get some Dippin' Donuts, or okay, you call it Dunkin' Donuts, but what's oh, I don't need my iPhone right now. I'm not gonna text anyone. It's only the mini. So, no, well, I only have 28. That thing is like 1,000. So, in real life, this thing is actually no, it's just the iPhone 11. iPhone 11. iPhone 11 white. iPhone 12. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm stuck in my chair. Get up. Okay, here we go. Hi, sir. Hi, sir. Gosh, not again. Okay, thanks. I didn't ask for anything, but whatever. It matters. Another donut? Sure. Give me dope. This is good. This. I'm tapping on my computer keyboard. I don't bring my monitor. I can't even bring a mouse, so I try my best. Okay. We just got our donut. I don't know why I keep getting stuck in there. So, oh, actually, what is over here? I think it's a super. I'm not sure. Just check. No, it's a Honda. I thought it was a Toyota. Looks like Toyota. Gosh, but bunch of brakes. Gosh. Okay, let me give this thing some revs. Okay. I'll turn my game volume up so you can hear a little better. Okay, on this revs. Oh yeah. Okay, so this thing's fast on acceleration. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh gosh, I just crashed. Yeah, I totaled my car, even though it looks brand new. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. So I hope you like my mic better. So I feel like my mic better because I'm using my headphone microphone. I'm not using my computer microphone because I have my headphones on the noise canceling, so better. Oh, so good. By the way, I really need to call tow truck. Yeah, I don't even know how my car's so drivable. Whatever. Okay. Okay, let me turn it off. Okay, let me eat my donuts for kid. Look at these blinkers. Oh, hi, sir. Hi, sir. I crashed my car. Yeah, like, it's, decent. Okay, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and join my Discord. It's called the Awesome Flavor. So, peace out and goodbye.